napakahalaga pala na magkalapit ang loob, ang puso ng mga ikinakasal. Hindi naman po nakakapagtaka yun kasi naging sila noong pang 2014.
Used to be cold, used to live alone.
Babe, eto na, malapit na. Ito na yung araw na matagal nating pinakahihintay.
And I'm excited to do life with you. I love you, my ride or die, my best friend, my lover, the love of my life.
I'm on fire, baby, dancing desire, baby. They call it fire, baby. That's what you do. My bitter heart was cold.
Alam niyo yun, parang after everything, sobrang overwhelming nung feeling na eto pala talaga, tama pala yung desisyon mo, lahat. Hindi ko ma-explain, sobrang na-amaze ako sa lahat ng nangyari for the past 9 years, na sobrang alam ng mga taong nakakakilala sa amin.
Marami tayong pinagdaanan pero at least kinaya natin. Alam mo naman yung istorya natin ng hardship.
Yung pinagdaanan namin, hindi siya talaga naging madali. And at times talagang isipin mo, wag na lang kaya, suko na lang. Pero
Ito lang yung isang bagay na kaya kong patunayan sa'yo, sa pamilya mo, na yun, kaya kitang ipaglaban, kaya kitang protektahan, at mamahalin kita ng buong puso at buong katapatan.
Just like a flower blooms, we burn brand new. Yeah, we're on fire, baby, like we were made to. I won't burn for you. Only always for you.
Dear Ryan, babe, first of all, gusto ko mag-thank you sa'yo for everything. Sobrang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Di pa tayo kasal noon, pero parang nadaanan na natin yung through sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer.
Do you take Ryan here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Mansay.
Dear Pam, ito na marahil ang pinakamasayang araw na dumating sa buhay ko. Ang pakasalan ang pinakamagandang babae ng buhay ko.
And you, Ryan, do you take Pam here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Monsignor.
Thank you for being my rest. And now na ikakasal na tayo, tulad nung nagkakilala tayo, na you asked me for directions. Let me promise to you today na I will always be here to guide your path when you feel lost. You will never be alone in your journey anymore. Ever again. I love you in all ways. Always.
Marami na tayong laban na ipinanalo at marami pa tayong pagdadaanan. Kung kaya't makakaasa ka na habang buhay kitang paglilingkuran,
When Jesus said, "Love one another as I have loved you," that message of intimacy, we have to develop that intimate friendship with the Lord. We have to develop that intimate love with the Lord. At katulad din kayong dalawa, inyong panatilihin ang intimacy sa buhay ninyo. kahit sa inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, lalantad yung inyong weaknesses. Pero kahit anong madiscover ninyo sa paglakad ng panahon, panatilihing ang paggalang sa isa't isa. Respect each other. Ano daw ang tunay na pag-ibig? Yung kaya mong tanggapin ang iyong minamahal, no matter what.